We want to turn now to the COVID fight, and tonight Southeast Texas still lags behind the national average in terms of vaccinations. Here at home, only 38% of people 12 and up have received at least one shot.
And that's troubling health officials as the region experiences another surge. 263 cases were reported over the weekend. That includes another confirmed case of the Delta variant. Regionally, the hospitalization rate is at 21%. It's the fourth day in a row that the rate has been above that old 15% threshold. Governor Abbott recently pulled an executive order that would have rolled back business capacities and restrictions if a region averaged above 15% for 7 straight days.
You hear those stats and you have to wonder, what's it going to take to get more people vaccinated?
12 News reporter Amelia White spent the day looking into who's lining up. She's live.
Jordan Dage, our local clinics say their hands are full, not just with new patients, but with lots of unused COVID-19 vaccines. So who's in line to get the shot?
So with the Delta variant being out and the news about how serious it is, so we're starting to see an increase in the number of people wanting to be vaccinated.
Beaumont Health Director Kenneth Coleman says that's what's driving the majority of unvaccinated Southeast Texans to get the shot. Lately, he says the average patient age at his clinic has been dropping.
On July the 23rd, this is Jefferson County, we had 17% of kids 12 to 15-year-old received at least one dose. But as of July the 30th, that increased to 20%.
In Port Arthur, communities who were once hesitant are showing up to get the shot.
We have seen quite a bit of the African American and the Hispanic community coming in.
Port Arthur Health Director Judith Smith says they're starting to see a revolving door of people rolling up their sleeves.
I want to think maybe like in the last 2 weeks, we are starting to see well over maybe 100 people a day.
But not everyone is experiencing an uptick in vaccination rates. Just a few months ago, Lumberton experienced long lines when vaccines first rolled out. But even as the case count climbs, Judge Wayne McDaniel says they're only vaccinating 8 to 10 people a day. As local clinics are back to being all hands on deck, they're encouraging folks to do their part to slow the spread.
The vaccine is the best tool that we have available to us to beat this virus.
If you're interested in getting vaccinated, Port Arthur is accepting walk-ins, no appointment needed. But if you're heading over to Beaumont Health Department, you'll need to make an appointment first. I'm live tonight in Beaumont. Amelia White, 12 News.